Namaste Dosto, welcome to today's tutorial. If you've ever wanted to keep a close eye on the NAV, that's net asset value of your favorite mutual funds or stock indexes, but you're tired of constantly checking websites for the latest numbers, then this video is for you. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up Google Sheets to automatically track the NAVs you care about, using a special formula from Google Finance. And the best part is, you won't need any fancy software or programming skills for this. Let's jump in and make your financial tracking a whole lot easier. So the very first thing you'll want to do is head over to Google Finance. Open up your browser and simply type Google Finance, or just search for it on Google. It should be the top result. Once you're in, take a moment to look around. This website is packed with up-to-date info on all kinds of companies and financial indexes. Now, since we're interested in mutual funds or indexes, you can use the search bar at the top and type in the name or symbol of the specific fund or index you want to track. For example, if you want to keep an eye on Nifty 50, just type Nifty 50 into the search, and you'll see the latest market stats pop up. Next, look right beside the main heading or name of the fund or index you've chosen. There's usually a short code or symbol next to the name. Sometimes it's a combination of letters and numbers. This is really important, as Google Sheets uses this specific code to fetch the data you need. So go ahead and copy this code. Just select it, right-click, and hit copy, or use Ctrl+C if you prefer keyboard shortcuts. Don't worry if it takes you a moment to spot the right symbol. It'll often be right next to the fund's name at the top of the page. Now it's time to open Google Sheets. You can either start with a new blank spreadsheet or add to an existing one if that's where you track your investments. In any cell you like, simply paste the code you just copied. This keeps everything organized, and you'll also be able to tell later on which row is tracking which fund. Super helpful if you want to manage multiple funds or indexes in one sheet. Alright, here where the magic happens. Pick a blank cell next to the code you've just pasted, maybe just to the right of it, and we'll set up the formula. Type in equals Google Finance, that's equals sign the word Google Finance and an opening bracket. Now you need to tell Google Sheets which code to use, so click on the cell where you pasted your mutual funds code or type the cell reference like B2 or C3 depending on where you placed it. Close the bracket. So your formula might look like equals Google Finance B2, then just hit enter. But a few seconds, sometimes it takes a moment to fetch the latest data. And just like that, Google Sheets will call up the most recent NAV or price info straight into your spreadsheet. It's almost like having a personal financial assistant working in the background. You set it up once and it keeps updating automatically without you lifting a finger. If the data doesn't show at first, don't worry. Double check that you copied the correct code from Google Finance, as small mistakes can happen. And that's it. You've now automated mutual fund NAV tracking in Google Sheets using Google Finance, all in just a few easy steps. If you found this video helpful, do give it a like, and if you run into any hiccups or have specific funds you want to discuss, let me know in the comments below. I always love hearing from you. For more tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and happy investing.